Today's video, we're going to talk about how to remove or suppress negative DuckDuckGo content. Now, a lot of people use DuckDuckGo because they promise better privacy, whereas Google doesn't have great privacy, has a lot of fingerprinting technology. I mean, chances are DuckDuckGo does it as well, but they claim to be a little bit more search friendly and more privacy friendly. So a lot of people use it. I want you to know, because a lot of people ask me first, they ask our firm first, how do I just remove this from DuckDuckGo? Meanwhile, Google looks bad or Bing looks bad. Most people are using Google still nowadays, or they're using AI search results. A large chunk of them are. If you're just worried about DuckDuckGo, you're looking at the wrong thing. But if you're noticing that, hey, it's only looking bad on DuckDuckGo, chances are it's because crawling happens differently there. A, it's a little bit slower. That's what we've noticed. B, they're pulling from different search results, not Google's main crawling technology. And I'm going to explain the differences here for you. Google has web crawlers. They crawl the web, literally as it sounds, find all the content and index it into search and score things based on article length, on authority, on contextual relevance, on backlinks, on a whole bunch of different factors. DuckDuckGo is not as intelligent, okay? It's mostly, they claim to have a crawler called DuckDuckBot. Who knows how advanced that is? But what they're actually doing is pulling most of this information from Bing and Yandex, and I think some of the search aggregators linked to Yahoo. So they're pulling a lot of this information. If you're wondering, why is this overwhelmingly worse than Google? Why is it more negative? Well, because it's basing some of its search results off of Yandex. And Yandex is a Russian search engine. Yandex doesn't care as much about rules or compliance or showing the most positive content online and not getting into trouble. The regulations are totally different. And so they don't mind showing edgier or more negative content. DuckDuckGo is pulling from that. They're using that, for search. So if you're thinking about how to outrank it, you need to outrank it on Yandex. You need to outrank it on all the search aggregators that DuckDuckGo uses. And how do you do this? Well, you go and you see what platforms rank better there. I'll do a search of my own name, DuckDuckGo, and I'll see how it appears differently. And I can kind of intuitively see my personal website comes up first. Let me go over to Yandex and see. My YouTube comes up first. So Yandex is showing a lot of different socials. And DuckDuckGo is showing, there we go, a lot of different socials first, but also personal websites and old articles. So there's a lot of different things you'll actually see in DuckDuckGo that you don't see on Google. So my recommendations to you, first of all, are to build a personal website. We always say this for Google, but we find it sticks even better in DuckDuckGo, and then build socials. Google's very kind of sketchy and careful when it comes to socials. You have to get them really active, have to get followers loaded into them. You have to get the posts coming out contextually relevant, linking to your website and vice versa. On DuckDuckGo, they don't have to remain that active. Once they start ranking somewhere on Google, chances are they're going to stay on DuckDuckGo. So focus more on the traditional platforms, social media, visual content, web content like your actual website. Don't focus as much on third-party articles, long, contextual, super informational things. They're more social concerned, social-centric, social media. They're more concerned with image content. Even they're concerned with course sites. So a lot of those various websites that you see ranking, you can do a search of anybody and kind of see what's being aggregated, what's being pulled to the top. A lot of it's socials. A lot of it's kind of this multimedia content. Oftentimes there's less court record oriented content, but it can happen sometimes. But you're going to have a major edge if you build social media, you build a website, you use images, you use videos, you get on course sites. So sites like udemy.com rank exceptionally well. Who knows why? All these different things really work for DuckDuckGo. Anyway, my name is Nadernejad. This has been how to remove negative DuckDuckGo links or suppress them. If you need help with this, click on the calendar link down below and book a consultation at no obligation with myself or a member of our team. And thank you for watching.